Hello everyone, welcome to part 14 of the 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. 14 parts into this wonderful series by Steve Chandler, and we're talking some more interesting stuff here with part 14 of Kill Your Television. So that's this principle, kill your TV. Okay, so a big thing about this one, I think, is you can't go too extreme with this. There's some people who just never watch TV, who are like, TV's entirely a waste of time, I shouldn't do this kind of thing. But TV's fun. Okay, we all like to watch TV, pretty much. It's fun to watch our favorite shows, all that kind of stuff. Everybody has their own shows, they've expanded, there are all these streaming services, there's so much around television, sports, whatever, okay? People love watching other people do things. And that's all good, okay? That's how we learn. That's how we watch educational videos like this, even. And so you can't go too extreme with getting rid of this kind of stuff, okay? Because playing games and watching TV are fine. The problem is when people do it to excess. Now, I once again have never been one of these people that's really lacked so much motivation that I've just wanted to sit on the couch and watch TV all day. I'm sure those kind of people exist, but I've never been one of those people, so I have a hard time relating to the idea. I only watch basically TV ever in the evening. I work kind of like just all day, even when I'm, not working a job, when I'm just like doing my self-employed kind of stuff. And I'll end up working myself just all day, and then I'll only do TV at night for like, an hour or two, or if it's like one of those nights where you really need to relax, or Friday night, it can be like a lot longer. Who knows? So I think that TV is the right thing in moderation, okay? Use it in moderation and try to find the more positive shows and the shows that are going to make you laugh, the shows that are going to reinforce your, positive side, that are going to make you think of abundance and happiness and stuff like that. Work at those principles and not at the ones where, they're going to make you unhappy, they're going to make you upset, they're going to make you think everything's not fair, all that kind of stuff. Work with the stuff that's going to make you laugh, make you happy. And yeah, if you really love acting, then that's a better side of the glass to be on, as he talks about. But really, TV is fine in moderation. That's how I would say it goes. Okay, that's it for part 14. I will see you guys next time on part 15. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.